My life changed when I start to understand what these rich guys is doing. I start following the money. I start following the millionaires and the billionaires. And these guys acquire assets on top of assets, on top of assets, that buy more assets, and it buys more assets, and then it buys that bullshit. You like that? But you'll spend money on a bunch of liabilities all day, right? Like, not even liabilities, like stuff. I mean stuff, like clothes and stuff. That's not even liabilities. That's just you being stupid. You like that?
This is a spaz out beat.
Like, comment, and subscribe. It's the Ghetto Man. Go ahead and keep waiting. Go ahead and keep waiting. It ain't my fault, it's your fault. Procrastination. You playing yourself. I used to do the same thing. Hear me out. If you would've did it 5 months ago, if you would've did it 12 months ago, that's a year. If you would've did it 5 to 10 years ago, you probably wouldn't be in the predicament you are right now. It's your fault. It's your fault. Let me tell you how you're supposed to look at money. You're supposed to look at money as a tool. A tool for you to funnel and for you to do the things you like to do. But you'll spend money on a bunch of liabilities all day, right? Like, not even liabilities, like stuff. I mean stuff, like clothes and stuff. That's not even liabilities. That's just you being stupid. You like that? My life changed when I start to understand what these rich guys is doing. I start following the money. I start following the millionaires and the billionaires. And these guys acquire assets on top of assets, on top of assets, that buy more assets, and it buys more assets, and then it buys that bullshit. You like that? Get it done. Just do it. Like, don't have a bunch of Nikes. For what? Because you're not doing nothing. Just do it. Just do it. I mean, what's going to happen? Next level. You scared of the next level. But you mad that you can't get nowhere? Blame yourself. I'm going to keep saying it. Very easy to learn something and get lit. Very. And I'll keep it 100. Look. Stock market not for everybody. Real estate ain't for everybody. Business ain't for everybody. You have to pick one of those things to get lit. So you gonna be exchanging time for money all your life. We only get older, wasting your time. Like, stop moving slow because you know. Stop moving slow because you know. Real talk. Get it together. Ghetto.